As you know, wearing a mask is obligatory now. We want to show you how to do a mask with things that we all have at home. You will need rubbers, kitchen towel, and a stapler. The first step is take the towel and fold it like this. Do the folds as smaller as you can. When you finish, attach a rubber on both sides with a stapler. Yes, like this, you are very fast. When you have the rubber on the both sides, you only need to open the mask and wear it. You will need to cover the mouth and also the nose. But caution, this mask doesn't protect you from getting the virus. It only makes contagion more difficult. Stop the spread